TV, I want to hear the baby and some gospel. Eh? And then not the viewer, you see the good dead dog them in the comment section. Una the next one too, but I can't say una don't know better. Una do not know better, so I don't expect better of you guys. You get me? Moderator Black the one now? Black Nika now? Yeah. This is social media, free to talk about anything on social media, my love. Come in and cuss, I talk like everybody. You know, the hot topic. What you think about miss me, you mad? Don't you see it's a hot topic? Why you think I don't want a piece? At least when I be negative, me I talk the truth. Other people come on and them I bring down. Me I come talk my facts. You get me? It's a learning process. Some people don't have them make up their mind for learn. Some people they don't make up their mind for learn. Some people not willing to learn, then just want to live their life with social media, and it is so messed up. Nobody now say you can't do social media, no. You understand? Nobody now say you cannot do social media. But at the same time, you can't tell a lot of raise them child. You need to go till you get black, my love. Because me not tell nobody nothing. You need to go. Straight black in for you. Excuse her for you. Yeah. I'm not saying that you cannot come on social media, but where the banding time there? Where the banding time, they just live for the media. And if you don't be careful, you're going to be your own downfall in life. And it's just a fact. If you don't be careful, you're going to have one. You see America, you have a lot of crackhead. You see them picking in America, then different from Jamaican breed. America picking them spoil because the government spoil them. And if you not care for baby, for the baby young, your chances are the baby come up in America come turn a drugs dealer. You get me? Chances are, if you not curve them from their young, when they get turned out 14, 15, you can't talk to them because you talk them call police by you. If you think the father a nightmare, that child can't I mean, not say it will happen. But if you think the child father is a nightmare, when that child reach out 15 and 14, my love, it put it on big man pie, you can't even sneeze. You can't even sneeze because what? He might grow up in our adult environment where him feel like a man already. You understand? So you have to train the child from now. You have to make a child get notice him a picnic from now. The adult conversation is supposed to roll one the picnic. While they talk about the father, got make a picnic and listen to YouTube. That is what most parents do wrong, you know. They might talk about the father, they might talk in front of the kids.